apology for the inconsistency. It's not funny. I try to be consistent, but nobody told me that finding an apartment is even more stressful than looking for an apartment. Let me rephrase that. When you eventually find an apartment, moving into an apartment is as stressful as house hunting. I've been house hunting for a while. You guys know that since November. I finally found a place, and oh my god, I'm excited to be living by myself. I feel like it's time. I've lived, like, had flatmates since I came to Australia, so moving into a place by myself is like, oh my god, that's fun. But so many things: paperwork, electricity, you have to pay for it separately, you have to pay for internet, you have to all these things have always been included in my bills. They've always been included in my bills. Now it's like separate bills. Okay, anyway, I'm in the new house now. I'm waiting for the electricity guys to come and connect the electricity, and now I have to so many things: the internet, this one, that one. Anyway, I carried myself to this place. I'm currently walking on the floor because I've not moved in yet. I'm in the process of moving in, probably moving by next week. But oh my god, you have to buy a fridge, you have to buy a microwave, you have to buy a washing machine. I see Americans do apartment tours or apartment hunting, and their houses have fridge, microwave, washing machine, right? No. Looking for a furnished house or semi-furnished house is going to be way above what I'm willing to pay for an apartment. So I looked for the unfurnished one, and now I have to start purchasing properties. I'm about to start having properties. Anyway, I just wanted to come in here today to start this vlog with an apology of being inconsistent. A girl has been going through it. I've been suffering trying to juggle my already stressful job with trying to move into this place, and also trying to prepare for my IELTS that I don't think I've mentioned. It's insane. Okay, so I'll see you guys. Apology accepted ish, please. Thank you. Yesterday, I waited for them to put on the light, and they did not, and everything I had died. But this is the next day. We picked up the micro. Let me show you guys the box. This is the box. This is the LG. I'm gonna look for that part. This is the LG Smart Inventor microwave oven thing. It is so cool. So I already put it out of the box. Also, I was there like very early after I did the microwave, because I also ordered a fridge and what's that? The washing machine. Essentials. Now the essentials are done. They've turned on the electricity. My NBN thing is coming for the internet soon. I think they're ready to move in. So there's box. Oh, by the way, I got them from Good Guys. I had to I don't know, I just had to research to find where it's cheaper, okay? Because I'm not about to break my bank. That's not even my bank to break. I wasn't about to spend like crazy just for them. So I had to research, and I found they were like a lot cheaper in the Good Guys, okay? So I ordered the fridge and the washing machine for them to deliver it here. They were going to deliver the microwave as well, but it was going to come in on Tuesday, so like separate delivery date. So I had to just pick up this one and get this delivered today. Anyway, I'm not talking. Let's unbox. microwave is done. And the fridge. And I also got like an LG fridge. I was looking for affordable but name brand. I don't know, because it's LG. LG, life is good. But the freezer is down here. Oh, one interesting thing about this is it opens both ways. I think all fridge opens both ways. You just have to scroll and unscrew and screw it here. That's too much screw, but there's nothing inside. I'll zoom you guys in and show you, and I'll show you guys here. So let's peel. That satisfying peeling sound. Oh, I got coffee because ice mocha. Like everybody at this point knows I love ice mocha because what is this obsession? I'm living like a baby, they just bought me toys. I'm grown, so house appliances make me act like a baby. Done with the fridge. Time to do the, what was that? That was my ring. Time to do the washing machine. Oh, so the person that brought it in connected it to the cold water. And I was like, oh, but I like washing my clothes with warm water sometimes. And it's like, oh, the washing machine has a way of converting the cold water to hot water. I was like, it's like, yeah, it's like this type we chose. She's like, how do you put it? Like an updated one, so you don't need to connect it to both hot and cold water. Just depends on how you set it here. It converts the cold water to hot water inside the washing machine. I was like, okay. So the fridge and the microwave is LG. This one is higher. It's H-A, I don't know if you guys can see what I'm showing you, but it's H-A-I-E-R. Anyway, yeah, my mocha almost finished. This is like a dessert. This is not even a coffee. This has whipped cream, and I'm pretty sure it has other things. Anyway, let's finish this because I'm getting quite tired. And I still have my bag because I packed some of my clothes, so I still have to do that. But let's just do this one first, okay? Where we started from. Oh, I'm exhausted. You cannot believe it's like 12:39 p.m. and I started all these things like I would say 10:30. So 2 hours for just unboxing. I mean 2 hours for taking off tapes. Anyway, oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of electrical appliances. Did I enjoy it? Yes. Kinda cute. Sure. Anyway, I will see you guys next week. I'm not moving out now. I'm moving in small, right? Small, just bringing things, fix it. So I'm going to unpack my clothes that I got. So I'll see you guys next week when I move in properly. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.